Introducing INVZI Maghub 2, the world's first pop-up SSD iMac docking station. Voila! It turns your iMac into a workstation. One USB-C port and 3 USB-A port up to 10 GB per second SD micro SD card slot, Gigabit Ethernet port, and the unique pop-up SSD aluminum enclosure. It's compatible with M.2 NVMe and SATA SSD up to 4 TB. The Maghub pop-up SSD feature has a high speed of 1,000 MB per second, 10 GB per second. Imagine a hard drive, a stand, and a dock station in one. The Maghub pop-up SSD can save your time for a fast data transfer from Macbook, can use as an external recorder for camera, and a storage for your iPad Pro. It can also back up your iMac by Time Machine every day. You can recover your data anytime, and it's also compatible with your INVZI Maghub 1. Oh, and by the way, it's a premium aluminum alloy. Early backers can get 40% off. Get yours today.